Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix audio download failed in 11 labs. Okay, so when you generate an audio and then you want to download it but it's failed, that usually means the file couldn't be generated properly or your browser blocked the download. So to fix that issue, let us first refresh and regenerate. So sometimes audio session expires, so just go ahead with refresh or reload from here, and then just click on generate speech again and wait until generation fully completes, then go with download. All right, and guys, don't refresh while it's generating. Okay, also, you will need to switch the browser if it fails. So use Chrome so if you're using Chrome like right now, go and use Opera. If you're using Opera, switch it to Chrome. Go with Mozilla, etc. Okay. Also, you can try Edge and avoid in-app browsers like Facebook, Instagram browser, etc. Also, I'd really advise you to go with the three dots on the top right of the browser and then go with the settings option. It's second last option. Then go with privacy and security, click it just like so, and go with delete browsing data from here. And right now, just go ahead with last 24 hours or last 7 days and click on delete data. And all you need to do is to resign to your account and try again. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.